In front of me is OnePlus Pad Go, and today I would like to show you how you can check a password saved in Google Passwords Manager. Begin by launching Settings and scrolling all the way down to access Google. Then select Autofill, Autofill with Google, and Google Password Manager. Following that, tap on one of your passwords that you wish to check. Enter your screen lock and tap on eye icon right next to your password to make it visible. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!